Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the DialMyCalls API and how it can be used to create custom integrations with our mass notification system. To get started, once you have signed up for a DialMyCalls account and logged into your dashboard, you will want to click on Integrations and then click API. You will now see your account's API key, which will be needed to develop your custom DialMyCalls integration. To view our extensive API documentation, click on the link and you will now see all of the information needed to develop your own integration using DialMyCalls' voice broadcasting and mass texting platform. Thank you for checking out our brief video on the DialMyCalls API. Our developers are here to help. If you have any questions about our API, please contact us at 800-928-2086 by email at api@ontimetelecom.com or via live chat 24/7.